10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Czekaj. Jesus Christ.
This will be my second world championship.
Transmission complete.
First time I raced rolls was 2 years ago in Rock Hill, South Carolina. I remember I was so excited about it.
Good evening, Team USA. Here is your target.
Rock Hill's about 2.5 hours away, so it's not my local track, but close enough to drive for racing practice. And I was practicing a lot. Especially the last 2 weeks leading to Worlds, my grandma was taking me there almost every day. It was really cool to watch the track transform. The UCI was putting up tents, setting the stage. It was really cool to see how the track was changing. After the Olympics, this is like the second biggest race, but for amateurs, this is like the most prestigious race in the world.
Hello, guys. Hello. What's your name?
In Rock Hill, there was over 120 boys in my age group, and this year is even more. I think 173 or 174, so it is like the biggest competition. Because USA was the host country, we were allowed double amount of the riders competing, and everyone wanted to get in.
Matt, it's not a good idea.
Just qualifying for Team USA that year was a challenge.
Team USA.
Everybody else, go over there! Go over there! This section is us! USA! 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 USA!
I remember I was very nervous. I wanted to do well. I trained so hard and knew the lines, so I was very heartbroken when I got eliminated. So this year, Worlds is back in Zolder, Belgium, and I'm really pumped. I've never raced out of the country. I mean, I raced Canada a couple times, but like never overseas. My coach, Jerry Badford, will be there, and so will my teammates that qualified with me in Oldsmar. First time was really nerve-wracking, but the second time I'm ready to go and I'm pumped. This is Tom in my USA jersey at his local track in New Zealand.
Oh my gosh, you guys look amazing.
The coolest tradition is the jersey swap after the race. So before the Rock Hill, South Carolina Worlds, I met Tom at my local track. Every location Tom went, he would tag his local track sticker everywhere. They are from the Kapiti BMX track in Paraparum Beach, New Zealand. Tom is not going to Worlds this year, but shout out to him and his family and his local track. It's a little small for me now, but I still love this jersey. Time to rock and roll, baby.
Allee Jacques, volle gas en volle patrol, hey!